Mama ODM, as you can see in these images, here is a cartel woman who lives in Eastleigh in a tiny room with her 5 grown-up children. The rent for the tiny room is KSH 15K. She is a crackhead and used a tiny room to spoil Somali girls with drugs and operates as a broker in Eastleigh for Pangani Police Station and killer cop Ahmed Rashid. She takes advantages on Somali girls who were wrongfully arrested and acts as a broker to collect extortion. Mama ODM tiny room living conditions is nasty, disgusting, dirty, and full of cockroaches and bugs. Mama ODM is a drugs user, smoker, and chewer of mirror. This woman here has never had a job in her life and takes advantages in Eastleigh by claiming that she is an Ogaden claim when she is a Bahante claim. This woman is a scammer, thief, and hypocrite. Mama ODM is a beggar. She cannot afford to pay her rent, and so she lives on pimping Somali girls and protected by Ahmed Rashid because she is a broker. She has 4 kids from different fathers. First kid, Awiye dad. Second kid, Tanzanian dad. Third kid, Ajuran dad. Fourth kid, Lelkaze. Mama ODM have been a beggar last 30 years, prostitute, and currently operates as Eastleigh broker for Pangani Police Station to get money from arrested Somali girls. This woman ODM is a thief who also stole a watch from the late son of Mama Halima. She has never had a job in her life, and all she do is extortion.